Okay. As you can see, I have the governor on the ET6 disassembled again because I have still the original spring here, but I managed to find a spring that I think might work. So I'm going to put that on and cut it down. Oh, and I put my cutter away because I was working on something else and needed some room. Alright, well, I've got actually a couple options here. That spring fits, and this spring fits, and it's pretty big, but I'm going to cut both of those down and try both of those out. Okay, I have gotten this cut off, and this spring is actually cone shaped, so it's a variable spring rate. So I basically have to give it a feel and see if it feels softer than the original. Yep, that definitely felt softer. So, well, put this one in and keep the original off to the side and try it out and see if it seems slower and with this other spring in here. But I'm very excited I finally found a spring to try out here, so yep, I think that feels a lot softer. Okay. I believe that is the correct direction for these pins to go in. Yep. Turn it backwards until we catch the thread, and then finger tight on in there. Alright, and now we've got a new, hopefully softer spring, and that should slow this engine down. Excellent.